Hello guys, and welcome to your Polish lesson. Today you'll learn several natural ways to say thank you in Polish and 20 essential verbs that you'll use in everyday conversation. If you only know the word dziękuję, this lesson will help you sound much more natural. Let's start with different ways to say thank you. Dziękuję, this means thank you. The standard one. Bardzo dziękuję, it means thank you very much. Dzięki, this is thanks. Wielkie dzięki, this is many thanks. And dzięki wielkie is thanks a lot. Now let's see how to respond when someone thanks you. Proszę bardzo, it means you are welcome. Nie ma sprawy, it means no problem. And finally, nie ma za co, it means don't mention it, no problem at all. Alright, now let's learn 20 essential Polish verbs. First is gonna be być, to be, mieć, to have, iść, to go, jeść, to eat, pić, to drink, and also mówić, to speak, robić, to do or to make, pracować, to work, mieszkać, to live, to live, kupować, to buy. We also have chcieć, to want, wiedzieć, to know, rozumieć, to understand, oglądać, to watch, słuchać, to listen. And the last 5 verbs are czytać, to read, pisać, to write, spać, to sleep, uczyć się, to study, and finally lubić is to like. So let's use some of these verbs in real sentences. I have time is mam czas. I'm going to work, it means idą do pracy. If you like coffee, you can express yourself and say lubię kawę. And you are learning Polish right now, so you can use this sentence. Uczę się polskiego. Beautiful. Now a quick quiz. How do you say I want coffee? And the answer is chcę kawę. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite new way to say thank you in Polish? And can you write one sentence using one of today's verbs? Leave your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more weekly Polish videos. Do zobaczenia. See you next time.